Alright, guys. Just gonna go there. This is a pain. This right here is a pain in the rump, if don't nobody know. Quite sure it's quite a few of y'all Dodge owners, Magnum owners, Chrysler 300 owners. When I say pain in the butt, it's really not. Loosen up the rack and pinion, take them two bolts out, and then the steering knuckle and the transmission line, take them two off. It's an easy job if you definitely have a lift. But if you're on the ground, it takes a minute. But it's done. As y'all can see, loosen and the steering knuckle, it can get done. So I say, if you can save a couple bucks and you don't mind being on your back and your arms up in the air, do your thing, get it done, especially for you guys who are car enthusiasts and try to save a couple bucks and put it towards something else. Do it yourself, because it can be done. Broke back, man, I did it, and I got it done. My son out here, he was gonna help me, but being as though I already took it loose and did everything, I just went on and yeah, he's a little broke on the strong arm tip. So I went on and handled it, got it done, and now I'm getting ready to take it and put it back in. So ain't really no need for me to show you guys, but take a loose, exactly what I said, and you don't have no problems. You can pull it right out the front at the bottom. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Maybe I'll catch y'all when I fire it up. Fingers crossed. Let's go ahead. Fingers crossed. I've been in a deep depression. Let's get this done.